In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set sell limit orders with Coinbase in just 5 minutes. Whether you're new to trading or simply want to refine your skills, setting a sell limit order is an essential strategy for any trader looking to sell cryptocurrency at a desired price. Let's dive right into the process. To start off, open the Coinbase app on your mobile device or navigate to the Coinbase website on your desktop. Once you're logged in, you're going to want to locate the advanced trading option. This is your portal to a more sophisticated trading interface where you can utilize powerful trading tools, including setting limit orders. Next, you're going to tap on Trade, which you'll find at the bottom of your screen. This will open up the trading dashboard where you can manage your active trades, view your crypto holdings, and explore different trading pairs. Now, select the cryptocurrency pair you wish to trade. This could be something like Bitcoin to USD or Ethereum to another cryptocurrency. Simply choose the pair that fits your trading strategy and objectives. Once you've selected your crypto pair, it's time to choose limit as your order type. Unlike market orders that execute immediately at the current market price, a limit order allows you to specify the price at which you wish to sell the cryptocurrency, granting you greater control over the final trade execution. After selecting the limit order, enter your desired sell price. This is the price at which you're willing to sell the crypto. You'll also need to enter the amount of cryptocurrency you want to sell at this price. Ensure that you consider market trends and potential fluctuations while setting your price to maximize your trading gains. At this point, set the time options for your order. Depending on your trading goals, you might want to choose good till cancelled or other timeframes available. This option determines how long your order will remain active before it's automatically cancelled if not filled. Before finalizing everything, take a moment to preview your order. Ensure all the details are correct, from the crypto pair and sell price to the amount and time settings. This is your last chance to make sure everything is as you intend. Finally, place the order. Your sell limit order is now active on the market. It will only fill once the market reaches or surpasses the price you've set. This means you need to keep an eye on market movements, but rest assured your order is in place and waiting for the right moment. And there you have it, a quick and effective way to set sell limit orders on Coinbase. By following these steps, you'll be well equipped to optimize your trading strategy and potentially enhance your outcomes. Thank you for tuning in, and best of luck with your future trades.